5:30 a.m. and we've woken up to a misty morning. You can see the lock over there, but there's mist. Very quiet park up last night. I think 2 cars went past. So this is where we were parked last night, and we're up early. We need to get somewhere before the crowds start, so we can show it off at its best. Hopefully even in the mist. And this is why I wanted to come early, because this place gets really busy in the day. This is Callanish Stones, an ancient centre of power. An extraordinary testament to the skills and determination of the people who lived here over 4,000 years ago. The stones were probably moved with rollers, wooden frames and brute strength. It was a tremendous investment of time and effort. They're arranged in a cruciform pattern with a central stone circle.
You can see that, can't you?
Yes.
We're walking up.
It's like an avenue, isn't it?
Like a cruciform, and then you can see the sun.
As we turn right here, we'll see the central stone, the central monolith, which is 4.8 metres high. And the largest sides of stone are almost perfectly orientated to north and south.
Wonder how they did that.
I don't know.
Without a compass.
I don't know. They just know the sun, I suppose. There's been limited excavation here, but during excavations there have been many fragments of pottery found, indicating that there was a tomb that was used for several centuries. More recent excavations have found fragments of a prehistoric field system, as well as evidence of stone structures, including buildings, walls and cobbled surfaces. Now you can see the avenue, the long bit of the crucifix. For any of you who like the TV series Outlander, the stones were used as a model for a fictional stone circle called Crag na Dun. And this place is said to predate Stonehenge by roughly 2,000 years. So I'll have a wander and have a look. So this is a central stone. And this must be the tomb. What I think was a tomb.
Or an altar of some sort.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a tomb, isn't it?
There is an information board we'll go back to, which gives a bit more information about why they think it was here. I can hear a cuckoo.
You can.
But during the day, this place gets really busy because it's such a spectacular sight. And as we said in an earlier video, now that they're getting visits from cruise ships, they're getting coach parties from the cruisers coming, So it is absolutely rammed with people, and that would just spoil the atmosphere for us to look at and have a look.
Similar one to information board.
So early theories say that Callanish fascinated early antiquarians. Some saw Callanish as symbolising the four winds or the signs of the zodiac. Locally, the stones are called Hebrides, the false men. Giants who'd been turned to stone for refusing to convert to Christianity. So why was it built? The purpose of the stones remain a mystery. During the Neolithic period, 4000 to 2500 BC, many communities across northwest Europe constructed large monuments of stone and earth. Perhaps the building work gave people a common identity and stability, or perhaps they worshipped here. Builders of these monuments frequently orientated monuments according to astronomical events such as the midwinter sunrise and sunset. And research at Callanish has shown it as both astronomical and landscape alignments. Here's some photographs of when archaeological work has been done on site. Inside the circle is a stone burial cairn, which we just showed you. The cremated bodies were deposited within pots, such as this beaker, which they found. And the beaker dates between 2000 and 1700 BC. And these are depictions of what it might have looked like. 3500 BC. 2900 to 2600 BC, 2500 BC, 2000 BC, 1500 BC, and 1000 BC. Quite fascinating, isn't it? As the information board said, a feat of determination to do this. And it is, in my mind anyway, more impressive than Stonehenge. Walk back down this avenue. And you just see the length. To think it took so long to build. They've been doing it in all weathers. Today it's breezy and misty. It's a cold breeze. Imagine them, they must have been working on this for in all seasons. We're not near the end of the avenue yet. Just amazing. Almost at the end now. The first two stones. And that's us at the end. There's the left-hand stone, as we're looking at it. And there's the right-hand stone. And there's the avenue.
On the isle where the sea meets the sky, where the winds of the ages still sigh, stand the stones in a circle so wide, ancient shadows the stars can't gulling eye. Oh, Callanish, keeper of time, silent in rhythm, weathered in rhyme. Long have you watched as the centuries pass, rooted in moonlight, standing in druids or dreamers once walked your ring, marking the solstice, the songs they'd sing. Now only seabirds and echoes remain, telling old stories in wind and rain. Oh, Callanish, whisper your lore, stone by stone on that Hebrides shore, guarding the secrets the old ones knew, under the sky so wide and blue. So here's to the stones on the western isle, still standing proud with a timeless smile. So here's to the stones on the western isle, still standing proud with a timeless smile. On the isle where the sea meets the sky, where the winds of the ages still sigh, stand the stones in a circle so wide, ancient shadows the stars can't gulling eye. Oh, Callanish, keeper of time, silent in rhythm, weathered in rhyme. Long have you watched as the centuries pass, rooted in moonlight, standing in druids or dreamers once walked your ring, marking the solstice, the songs they'd sing. Now only seabirds and echoes remain, telling old stories in wind and rain. Oh, Callanish, whisper your lore, stone by stone on that Hebrides shore, guarding the secrets the old ones knew, under the sky so wide and blue. So here's to the stones on the western isle, still standing proud with a timeless smile. So here's to the stones on the western isle, still standing proud with a timeless smile.
So that was Callanish 1 or Callanish 1. There's also nearby Callanish 2, which again is impressive but nowhere near it. What did it say? Five standing stones and a few that have fallen. There's also Callanish 3 and Callanish 4, but I think we've shown you the best one. So now it's time to go and have some breakfast, I think, because we got up early. Not even had a wash yet. We're that dedicated to showing you everything, aren't we?
Well, no, we just didn't want the crowds.
So we're going to have a wash, have some breakfast, and then a little bit of mystery. Some disappeared people. Ooh. Since we made this video back in 2025, it's been announced that there's going to be a charge from this year to visit the site.
For a family of 2 adults and 2 children, that cost has been set at around £50. And as you can imagine, that's caused quite a bit of debate.
On one hand, places like this do need looking after. These stones are over 5,000 years old, and increased visitor numbers can bring wear and tear, pressure, and it's a real conservation area, so there are costs involved. But on the other hand, Callanish has always been a shared place, open to the public, something rooted in the landscape, open to everyone, not just those who can afford a ticket.
There's no easy answer. Protecting ancient sites matters, but so does access, especially for families and future generations who should be able to experience places like this without being priced out.
So whatever your view, it's a change that marks a new chapter for the Stones, and one that will no doubt keep being discussed for some time and be a subject of debate. Well, what are your thoughts? Should there be a charge, or should it be open access for everyone? Let us know in the comments below.